Welcome to the next episode of the Broken Boxster Battle. So this is what we're contending with here. If you haven't seen all the intro videos to this, start at the beginning. It's been a long process just to get here. But today I'm gonna take off the Bank 2 cam cover and we're gonna see what it looks like on the other side. As you should recall from the last episode, we have major chain not working issues over here. And we have a lifter that got blown off there, and some scoring or burning or something of the top cam in a few different places. So let's go to Bank 2. I'm gonna hit you with a little time lapse of me taking off the spark plugs and removing the cover. All right, so this time I want to try to remove the chain tensioner before taking the pump out. And for Bank 2 over here, it is up here on the top. So that's it there, but it's got a bunch of crap in the way in this model of car. So this is our power steering that we disconnected already. And it's on a little bracket here and a little bracket here, and these two hard pieces are connected by this little flexible piece of hose. So I'm gonna assume that I can just pull it off of this bracket. It looks like it should slide off of both of them. Oh, well, never mind. Well, this looks like it's just a flexible piece combining, attaching the two. It's actually solid all the way through there. So I guess it's just kind of a rubber place because the AC compressor sits on it to give it some protection. Not sure. It is going into this thing with a 17mm nut. So let me snap that free. And now, oh yeah, okay. Now it slides right out of these brackets at the same time. Now I can remove this whole hose and put it with our other one that we removed. But with that removed, the water pump on this side should be much easier to get out than on the Bank 1. And just like the other side, I'm gonna mark one of the corners. Whew. Like I said, much easier. All right, here is our original one of these guys. All right, here is a look at our chain in here on this side. See one of our chain guides down there. All right, got the pieces separating. So this corner is draining oil. So I'm just gonna let that drain out. And this side had this bracket on it that had two more 10 millimeters, one here on the cover side and one here on the case side. That bracket's just for those power steering lines, so you do have to disconnect that bracket in order to get the cover off. Just give it a little wiggle. It's being held on by this connection right now. He's got a bracket on this side. All right. There we go. So the inside of this one looks nice and brown, but there's no scoring or anything wrong with it. Chain over here looks fine as far as I could tell. Here's our tensioner of the long rail. That's nice and tight. Ooh, the little tube things on this side stayed in the engine instead of coming off and sticking to the case like on the other side. There's no missing lifters over here. So chain looks pretty good over here. Nothing obviously wrong to me. Cams are more discolored compared to the other side, but I don't see any issues with the little lifters or anything like that. All right, there's our little bite-sized diagnostic video for Bank 2. So I think next time I'm gonna probably start ripping off all of the intake manifolds and get the stuff off the top of these so we can dive a little further into the engine.